Vanakkam. I'm indeed very happy to be in Tamil Nadu today when we will start the beginning of the end of the corrupt, incompetent and anti-Tamil Udayanidhi Stalin government. The NDA led by Thiru Edappadi Palanisamy in Tamil Nadu will decide the seat sharing later today, and we will launch our fight with the evil DMK forces and their partners who have taken Tamil Nadu to extreme difficult times due to their incompetent management of the Tamil economy, due to their actions which have hurt Tamil culture. Very clearly, the people of Tamil Nadu are fed up with the DMK Congress government, just like the Congress and their partners have been defeated across the country in election after election. Whether it is Maharashtra, whether it is Haryana, whether it is Bihar, whether it is Delhi, state after state has rejected the Congress and their partners because they want good governance, they want development politics, they want a better future for women, for youth, opportunities for our young men and women to prosper. And therefore Tamil Nadu today is ready for an NDA government, a strong National Democratic Alliance under the guidance and visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has yesterday crossed the record and become the longest serving head of government in the history of India, having served for nearly 25 years as Chief Minister or Prime Minister and shown the world how good governance can transform the destiny of the people of India. The people of Tamil Nadu want a government led by future Chief Minister Edappadi Palanisamy ji, a government which will bring development for the farmers, for the fishermen, for the MSMEs, for industry, provide jobs to our young men and women, give opportunity for startups to innovate, will provide quality healthcare, quality education, will give houses for the poor, will make sure that everybody gets opportunity in life to prosper and work towards a developed Tamil Nadu. Viksit Tamil Nadu will lead to Viksit Bharat, and we will ensure Tamil pride, Tamil culture, Tamil language, and the people of Tamil Nadu will have a very bright future.
Sir, we got to
Nandri.
know, we got to know the seat sharing today itself, sir. We get signed by today itself, sir.
Well, as I've said before, when I used to do the free trade agreements, that never worked with a deadline. work for quality. But I am quite confident, given the family relations that we have, the whole NDA works as a family, led by AIADMK, Mr. Palanisamy, Mr. Ambumani Ramadas, Mr. Thiru Dinakaran, my own party president Thiru Nenar Nagendran, our Honorable Minister Muruganji, we are all together as one family among and many other partners, and we will all sit down in a room and decide and let you know today. Thank you.
Today is the last day, sir. Can we assume today is the last day for the seat sharing speech?
I
Yappa,
just
இப்பதானே
explained,
சொன்னாருல்லப்பா.
I never work
இப்பதானே
with a
சொன்னாரு.
deadline. I work for what is good for everybody.
Yes, sir. So today is not the deadline.
தம்பி இப்பதானப்பா சொல்றாரு.
Well, good news happen every day, and every time is a good time for good news.
So when will the Prime Minister come next? Because
Can we expect
Once we launch our campaign, we will discuss with all the partners and decide the Honorable Prime Minister's program.
the way you compare elections have also come out? Like, how confident are you?
Puducherry and Tamil Nadu, both states, the NDA will be sweeping the election and give good government to the people of Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Nandri.